Welcome. Today, let's talk about how to get free money online. Most times when I walk on the street, or sometimes when you go to some places, you will see people begging money, people asking you for financial assistance. Wow, I've seen many of these things, especially in Africa, especially in Asia. That's where you see people begging money on the street. But let me tell you, in this video, I'm going to show you a website where you can actually go there and beg money instead of begging money on the street, or instead of asking someone for money. And maybe some people might end up disappointing you, or some people might end up looking at you somehow. Instead of that, definitely this website will help you raise some money for yourself. Money you can use to start up a business, money you can use to start up whatever you want to start up with. If you have a financial issue, of course, there are websites that will help you, assist you. Now, instead of begging money, I'm definitely going to go straight to the point, because I don't want to create a long video. I want to make the video very short. Now, there's a website called beggingmoney.com, just like the name sound, beggingmoney.com. Like I said, a lot of people are begging money on the street, especially in Nigeria, especially in Africa, in Asia. You see people begging money. So instead of begging money on the street, or instead of asking someone, maybe begging money from people, you'd rather go to beggingmoney.com. Sign up on beggingmoney.com. Tell them what you want. Tell them how much you need. Tell them what you want to use the money for. Definitely you will see people donating money, people give you money. That is beggingmoney.com. Just like the name sound, beggingmoney.com. Beggingmoney.com is very popular. It's a website with high traffic. That means a lot of people in a month to get over 200 to 300,000 visitors visit this website every day. Okay, and which means millions of people must have gotten help from beggingmoney.com. When you visit beggingmoney.com, you see a lot of people they've raised money for different people to help them to support their goal, to support their business, to support their side hustle. So, like I said, I want the video to be short. That's why I don't want to expand it more. I just want to go straight to the point, give you the website address. It's very simple. All you need is to just go there, sign up with your name, and let your name tally with every other information you want to provide. Okay, so it doesn't look like, see, if you are using someone's name to register or start begging money. So if you need help, if you need financial assistance, or you need some money, some capital to start up a business, a side hustle, or maybe you need money to pay your rent, or you need money for medical treatment, or you need money for educational purpose, the truth is beggingmoney.com will help you raise that money. So instead of begging money on the street, instead of begging people money, please go to www.beggingmoney.com. Go there and beg for the money. And definitely you might end up getting more than what you want. Let's assume you need $2,000 for something else. They might even end up raising about $3,000 or $5,000 for you. So please, like I said, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. I want you to have in mind that here on this channel, we normally release so many videos on how you can get free money online, and also how you can start up a side hustle, how you can make money online. Okay, so this is why you need to turn on the notification button in order not to miss any of our videos. Like I said, go to www.beggingmoney.com, sign up. It is free of charge, and you are good to go. Once again, thank you for stopping by.